Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Shonda's Edible Delights, and today we'll be making loaded baked potato popcorn. Yes, loaded baked potato. It sounds crazy, but it most definitely is possible and is a #1 seller for all of our products at Shonda's Edible Delights. And if you want to order some, click the link in the description bio. You can order all the popcorn you want. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with loaded baked potato. So we have our butter popcorn, not salted actually, inside our tumbler. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. If you can't hear me, just turn it up a little bit. I'll speak loudly. All right, now we're going to go ahead and turn our tumbler on. We got it spinning. Everything's getting mixed up, just the regular popcorn. We're gonna go ahead and add our cheese inside, everybody. What's a baked potato without any cheese, you know? You can already see our tumbler does a lot of the work for us. It gets it all mixed up. We're just gonna make sure we get all the cheese out of here. Now, I've seen a lot of people trying to know about our recipes. We do have an ebook coming out soon, so stay on the lookout for that. We'll have a lot of recipes out for sale. People who want to know about more things with the popcorn business. So just stay on the lookout. But like I said, you can order any flavor from the website below. Got our cheese in there. See, instantly it went from regular popcorn to cheese popcorn. Let's go ahead and get that mixed up. Now that we got our cheese, we're just gonna add our seasoning, everybody. Homemade seasoning to be exact. So whatever you think goes in a baked potato, that's what your seasoning needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in. Go ahead and get this cooking up. Try to hit all areas as it tumbles. You can smell the seasoning. You can actually see the powder flying back in the camera. Go ahead and get this mixed up a little bit. I'm gonna just pause it for a second. You can see it's not regular cheddar, it's not butter. You can see it's all different flavors so far. And this is the making of loaded baked potato. Go ahead and add our second dosage of seasoning. Alright, we have most of our seasoning in there. Go ahead and give it a good little turn around. Oh, only if y'all can smell what we got cooking. The Rock can't even tell us what we cooking right now. Only if y'all can smell this. And people always say loaded baked potato is such a weird flavor, but everybody loves it. We sell out everywhere we go. Only thing we're missing now is just a steak to go with it, right? If y'all want a steak flavor, comment down below. I might do that next. Go ahead and stop it real quick. Show y'all how it's looking. And this is how loaded baked potato mostly comes out to be. But we're gonna add one more ingredient just to top it off. If you have parsley or chives, this is a great ingredient just to top it off with everything with another dosage. The parsley and chives will automatically stick to the popcorn. And it'll just give it that extra flavor or kick you need to it. And you can put a decent amount since it's going in the popcorn, you know. You want it to be on every kernel. It's a lot of kernels inside of there. So you can put a decent amount of parsley or chives if you have those. But if you don't have those, it's okay. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more. Get back to twisting again. And you just want to make sure that everything is coated. And guys, if you're making popcorn at home, be sure to try your own popcorn before you go out there and sell it. You never want to sell any bad products. So this right here is loaded baked potato, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer so you guys can fully see. You can see it doesn't look like cheddar. It doesn't look like any plain popcorn. You can see the seasoning. So right here, we have loaded baked potato, everybody. Just as simple as that. It's a couple easy steps. You can go out and start selling, guys. So like I said, if you want to purchase this popcorn, you can go to our website and order some below. And that's it, guys. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And that's another episode of Shonda's Edible Delights. This is loaded baked potato.
Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we